we did day 1, so this would be
our day 2 of the advent calendar. This is my second pull. Ooh, I'll go for 22 because it's the second day and it's my second pull. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's a middle one though, so let's see if I can get it out. This video is mostly going to be me struggling to get the cards out.
Maybe she'll get it by Christmas.
Hey.
Watch your fingers. Last time your fingernail. First time we ever did one of these.
Oh my god, I'm literally bending the card. Okay. Well, that was crazy. I don't know if that was... I can feel that these are already kind of warped. Alright, let's go. Still waiting for my first autograph.
Alright, we won't be sending it to PSA anytime soon.
Yep, we won't be doing that. That's for sure. Jared McCain. Draymond Green.
That's my favorite.
With the sweater. I got.
Oh, I've seen it.
I got a nice list. Oh, I got a Cooper Flag. Nice
extra
list.
nice list. It's extra nice.
Yeah, that was nice.
Wow.
Cool.
Wow.
It's definitely got some. I don't know what's going on at the top, but that's okay. That's pretty sick. Nice. Oh wait. Oh, sorry. And then Jace Richardson, rookie card. Ooh la la.
Well,
Cool.
I went with my number 10 on my first pick. She went 22 on her second pick. I guess I'll go right next to her. My next favorite number, Kobe, right here. Man, that's a...
We got one of these in our last advent calendar too, so that's pretty good.
Ah.
Two for two on the Cooper Flag. Maybe you'll pull the auto Cooper Flag.
That's how you do it with no struggle. But the little struggle might get you better cards.
Yeah, just struggle a little bit and then you get a Cooper Flag. Fine with that.
Alright, let's see
Hopefully you get one.
who we get here. Who's been naughty? Who's been nice? Day 2. Started with some Reed Shepherd. Mr. Pritchard.
Nice. I think this is the first time we got a Christmas sweater in one of our teams.
10.6 a game.
I'm
Who
gonna
could that be?
guess- Ooh, Malwash or Coward? No. Oh, Igor. Oh.
It would be you, Igor. I would get the Igor. Alright, well,
You got the picture.
we know which one wins that one.
I think it's me. What do you guys think?
Yeah. Well, he's
I
going.
won on both because you got my team and the
He's going-
the Christmas sweater.
he's
and
going
I got
in
the
there.
flag. Merry Christmas, everyone! Happy holidays!
You guys know what's on my first one? Oh, I got Scottie Pippen on my first one. See if you guys can remember all the little polls we got. This is her
I got
first
Dylan
one.
Harper.
Wow.
I got Dylan Harper and Cooper Flag on my
How you
nice
go
list.
that?
Because I'm on the nice list too.
Alright, well,
Just kidding.
here goes. See if you guys can remember. No, only one.
Oh,
One card.
okay.
One
I'll
card.
put this in my Celtics.
Mm-hmm. You can get that
Actually,
one.
we should display this. It's perfect for the Christmas season.
Alrighty. Till tomorrow. Stay classy.